How would you like to take control of your time and get things done faster and easier than ever before without using a journal? This is Dan Lefebvre, and I'm feeling grateful because over 2 years ago, I created a focused productivity system that's giving business owners like you their life back. It's helping them to enjoy a life worth living without having to figure out what they need to focus on to get their biggest goals done in 12 weeks or less. You know what every successful business owner has in common? It's not a power suit or an Ivy League degree. It's a system for achieving their goals and crushing their obstacles while they go on to achieve what they want the most out of life. The last thing you wanted was to have no time to enjoy your life, I'll bet. So the solution I created is called the 12-week focused productivity system. It's a distraction removal machine. It's a procrastination killer. It's a system for keeping focused and getting things done that matter to you and the success of your business so that you can live a meaningful life. The beautiful thing about this system is that it's plug and play, and it has literally been helping thousands of busy people like you get time back so that they can spend all the time in the world they want with their family and friends doing what they love. You know, Alice went from working 12 to 16-hour days to 3 hours a day and enjoying the freedom to be with her newborn son while still scaling her business. And Daniel went on from struggling to scaling his business and then 5x'd his income within 6 to 8 months using the system. And now he enjoys the most amazing vacations every few months with his wife. There are tons of productivity hacks out there, but they take way too long or don't work. I have something that's way better than any of those other junky systems out there like Get Things Done or Pomodoro. And the good news is that setting up this system is really quite simple. And it has been tried and tested by me and many other business owners like you who are always on the go. You don't need to carry journals around with you wherever you go. You don't need to try remembering what your priorities are. You don't even need to stress yourself out working insane hours trying to catch up. In fact, staying focused and getting the big things done is just a matter of following a very simple but unconventional step-by-step system. And I've taught this to thousands of students in all walks of life that have gone on to create lifestyles of their dreams and working less while making more. Pretty crazy, right? Well, these students put in real effort to get there. They didn't let old myths get in their way. Myths like, maybe you believe that you have no time for planning and setting goals, or you think that you're just too busy and that you'll get to it later, but then that never happens. Or maybe you believe you don't need it. You have the misconception that somehow you're the exception and don't need a game plan for your week. Just watch how quickly your time slips away. Maybe you don't want to be accountable. You don't work from a written weekly plan because it creates discomfort and constantly reminds you that you're not doing what you should be doing. So to solve this problem, I put together a very simple system that you can get and implement right away into your life and business. It's plug and play so that all you have to do is to follow the steps and start using it today. You want a system for your success, right? Well, this system is as simple as 1, 2, 3, and it goes wherever you go because it's digital. So step 1, choose 3 goals from each of your primary life pillars that you must complete in the next 12 months to get what you want. Step 2, decide why you absolutely want them done. These are your key emotional motivators. Step 3, choose 3 actions that if you do them, you will move several steps closer to achieving your goal and feeling good about yourself. Just plug them into the system, take action, and watch your performance improve week after week. When you have this system working for you, you'll be unstoppable. You have more control of your life and business. You will feel healthier and stronger. You will have better relationships and feel more appreciated. So to get this into your hands as quickly as possible, I've created a page where you can get your own 12-week focused productivity system and a short video showing you exactly how to use it. So click the link below and it'll take you to a simple page where we will tell you about the 12-week focused productivity system and how to get instant access to the special system today. So click the link below now before it goes away forever, and I'll give you the exciting details about this high performance business accelerator. All right, see you on the inside.